Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode, I'm going to make a strong, not easily cracked air dry clay. Okay, these are the projects I've made when I'm not using my homemade air dry clay. As you can see, those visible cracks on it. And it's very hard to handle such things like this. And as you can notice, that the air dry clay I've used shrunk. And now these are the projects I've made from my homemade air dry clay. As you can see, there's no cracks. These are the other one.
I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me. Don't look back, I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see.
I'm going to mix white glue and cooking oil. Mix it together until it combines. Next, I'm putting the tissue paper gradually so that it combines well to our mixture. And now I'm adding again a part of white glue and another tissue paper. And now I'm going to mix calcium carbonate, or apog in Filipino. You can add cooking oil for the desired consistency. Until it cooks like this. As you can see, the fiber on it. Those are tissue papers. Then put it in an airtight plastic. Then store this air dry clay, and it will last for 5 to 6 months. And now let's check for the size. This is the dry one. And now let's check it out. As you can see, almost the same size. Nothing has changed. That's it for today. Till next time, see you on my next vlog. Bye.